Hi gardening spirit boosters, welcome to the channel. I hope that my balcony gardening will inspire you to want to garden too. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Miss Janita, coming back to share with you give you an update on my newly planted flowers and herbs. This is what's going on. I don't know what I did with my tag, y'all. I don't know. I think this is flowers. All of this is possibly flowers. It's either flowers or sage, one of the two. Because the Neristium plant, the leaves are bigger. I got that one sitting outside. Y'all see I got a shelf to the, well, if you look at the video to your right, I put my plants on a new plant shelf out there. It's not so congested where I can walk out there and don't step on stuff. My husband suggested I get another one. So it's either gonna be that or I'm gonna put it in the, well, I don't know. I gotta consider the weight and all that, because I was gonna say the grow bag, but anyway, I'm all on the wall. Let me get back down here. Don't pay my background no mind, you guys. I'm into my hobbies and I need to be into something else also, but we got Mr. Frog back there with the water buckets helping me out with this video. Oh, where's the plant? This one right here is starting to, wait, is that the one that's crowning? Yeah, these are crowning. They just started crowning. I see 4 of them. Do you guys see 4 crowns? And then these right here, I forgot what this plant is. It's not sage, I can tell you that. I can tell by the leaves, that's not sage. This is some kind of flower right there. That's my little new succulent plant. That's my aloe vera, trying to get it to grow bigger. Everything is a challenge. Everything is a challenge. I gotta be, you know, challenged to get stuff to do what it need to be doing. But I mean, I'm up for the challenge. I have patience. I do have a little patience, and I can continuously, as you see, I keep making videos about giving you updates on my plants and stuff. So, and I'm buying something all the time. So yes, I have patience. Yes, I love the hobby. So I'm gonna continue to bring you guys videos about my little plant journey. And let me see. That plant right here, this is celery. This is the sage plant. This is big as it's got. It's got more leaves, so it's getting more leaves on it. I am gonna shout and jump for joy when this plant starts looking like a sage plant for real. But look at all those leaves, they get more leaves. This is how much it has survived from when I showed it to you guys before. It's not much bigger, but it's bigger, more leaves. It's bigger than what y'all seen last time. And I put it in a bigger pot, so that probably has something to do with it. And that's basil down there. I guess that's all I got for y'all today. Just an update on my seeds that I planted from the Dollar Tree. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hello, looky-loos, passy-bys, visitors, friends of the channel, past looky-loos, trolleys. Thanks for coming through. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and tell me what number thumbs up you are. Invite me to your channel if you are a content creator. If you're not, don't worry about it. Just come back and keep enjoying these videos I'm making. And leave a comment. Love the comments. Love to hear what you think, or I love to hear what you're thinking, and I appreciate all of your compliments. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna let you go now. Thanks for coming by. Thanks for your time and support.